All right, we're back. Another day. Um, I ended up taking a few entries earlier here, but then I just decided to wait for this candle close to close above there. And I'm gonna go into the reasons why I exited here. But first of all, I was bullish. So if you look at the time, like this 15-minute looks bullish. There's this 15-minute fair value gap that on the news and the new 1 hour candle, we went here and then we went here. So the move that I expected from this fair value gap already had happened. But since this structure was still bullish, the 5 minute was looking okay-ish, a little bit wiki, but there's, the news factor. I just decided, you know what? Now this looks really good to long. I'm just gonna long here and see if we go to this target right here, to the 1.64. And yeah, we started slowly grinding up. This was a one, like the risk for this trade was, how much was it? $150 because two micros would have been 300, and that's above my risk for now. So I didn't want to do that. So did it take it with one, and we ended up going higher. At this point here, like this candle opens again, and then you got this one, these two, which is the last two 1 minute candles of the 5 minute candle. And I said, okay, for me to be like, sold on this trade idea, completely sold on this trade idea and hold it, I need to see this close above this line. This line right here is 5 minute structure. So ideally we would close above here. This would be the order block, the 5 minute order block. Even if we went there, my stop would have been down here at the low. So it would have been, protected. And in theory, it should be smooth sailing up from there. Once I see this candle right here, and then this one, retracing and just a few seconds left for the candle to close, I just say, you know what, I'm just going to close it. Next candle is a new 15-minute candle. There's a new 15-minute power of 3 coming up. There's a new 5-minute power of 3 coming up. I think because we failed to close above this structure right here, I think it's likely that we go down here to these lows and possibly, hunt my stop. So I'm just gonna close it out here for -10 and just be done with my day. So that was it. I know it shows here total P&L 17, but that's from, opening and closing these two trades because I was very indecisive here. And then so this was $30 here, and then here it was like 10 or 14, something like that. So that's it for today. Account is still looking good. Really good discipline in exiting out here because I really, was trying to force the idea of a long into the market where like we have to go here, we have to go here. But yeah, I just said, you know what? We don't have to go there. I mean, it's not looking good to hold it, so I'm not going to hold it. That said, I hope you enjoyed, and I see you guys tomorrow for another video.